Yun, on my way to Bacolod. And check out who I bumped into sa aeroplano. Hey, yo, what's up? Check it.
Check.
Parang ganito yung eksena namin sa airport.
Tapos kasi pakako.
Yung naiiwan po.
Ito yung nasa pictures.
Yung sa tago. Tinago.
Ito na. Yung Palladium. Ayun, ano?
Galaxy.
Giovanni. Ito ang kailangan.
Kid on the candy store si Jack ngayon.
House of Sin, bro.
Sinound check ko rin yung Mano. Ang ganda ng feel. Wala lang akong video niyan kasi nahiya ako, of course. Andun si Mano eh. Jack. Nung Oying Osmeña ng Double O Percussion Store. Tapos nakijam na rin ako. Ano tayo ng instrumento. Bumping into Rocky, an old friend from theater. What a small world.
Feeling mo nung sa lakyan mo, sinaktunak.
Good afternoon, Sir Ramil. Judge number 2, ladies and gentlemen, he's a multi-awarded director, writer, lighting designer.
Hey. Tagal ko nang hinintay ito.
Parang pwede pong dessert tsaka bago mag-dessert.
Bumping into another old friend, si Jabi. And I was stoked to finally meet Sir Benny Castillon, who made Kruhay, which is perhaps the most performed choral piece to date. Time to turn on judgmental mode, the Composo competition. It's a good way to preserve our very own local folk songs.
Sa iya, kay siya ang namulog na mag-alakan. Mga tinago, inabahali, akong ginita sa katawan.
Ito, drum beating contest na naman.
Second judge, Mr. Joseph Albert Perez Basa. Third and final judge, Mr. Jaques Rivas Dufort.
Jaques! Sayang, gusto ko sanang tapusin yung contest pero kaya lang pinaalis na kami kasi mag-dinner na. Sarap ng chicken inasal. Ayun, so nakabalik na sa hotel. Nakakapagod pero ang saya. Glad to see some old friends. Glad to make new ones. And yun. Sana makakabalik ako dito sa Bacolod for Panaad Festival. Yun lang. Yun lang yung story ko for today's video. Bye-bye.